We are from Cambridge Basic Class. Welcome to NURIS YouTube channel. Before we start, please smash the like button below. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel, okay? In this lesson, we can learn about how to talk about things you like or dislike in English. By the way, what is your favorite food, Nazila?
I like spicy food a lot. Do you like spicy food?
I don't like spicy food.
The phrase I like and I don't like are very mainstream to say, guys.
Yes, I agree. We will give you some alternative to do it. So make sure you keep watching this video. Instead of saying I like to express about something that you like, you can use other phrases to make you sound more like a native speaker. You can say I love or I really love. Example, I love watching movie or I really love singing. The second is I enjoy. Example, I enjoy watching movie. The third is I am crazy about. Example, I am crazy about K-pop. Then I am very fond of. Example, I am very fond of coffee. Next is I am very keen on. Example, I am very keen on cooking. Move to the other phrase, I am fond of. Example, I am fond of cheesecake. Then I adore. Example, I adore ice cream, especially vanilla flavor. The last but not least is I am into. Example, I am into spicy food or I'm really into spicy food. Means you very like it.
Okay, friends, after you know some phrases to express something you like, now my question is, how if you don't like something? What are the appropriate phrases to say? That's why I'm going to teach you different ways you can say I don't like it, because saying I don't like it is a little offensive. These are some phrases to say something you don't like. The first is I dislike. For example, your work is good, but I dislike the way you compute the idea. The second is I hate. I like chocolate, but I hate cheese. Third, I detest. I detest cucumber juice. Next, I loathe. For example, I loathe singing and dancing. And then I abhor. For example, I abhor eating pizza. I'm not fond of it, I'm not into it, and I'm not crazy about it. This phrase is not like a strong phrase. For example, I'm okay with sushi, but I'm not really crazy about it. Maybe we could do pasta because I'm really crazy about it. It means that you can eat sushi, but you prefer pasta than sushi. So, if you want to compare something and to say your preference, you can use prefer blah 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 plus rather than blah blah blah. For example, I prefer pasta rather than sushi. I'm not interested. Also means that you don't like something. Next, I don't appreciate it. And then, I'm not keen on. For example, I'm not keen on pop music. And then, I'm fed up with. I'm fed up with this weather. Next is, I don't think I like. For example, I don't think I like the main course. The next phrase is really straightforward. This is something that you would use with really close friends. The phrase is, I can stand with. For example, I can stand with tomato juice or I can stand with loud music. Something like that.
Those are some phrases about like and dislike that you can use as alternative.
To make you more understand, we have the example dialogue about it.
Let's check out these videos.
Hey Salman, I heard that you have many movies in your laptop.
Yes, I do. Who told you that?
Bagas told me when we were having a discussion of the movie.
Oh, I see. And why? Do you like watching movie?
Yes, I'm keen on watching movie.
So, what kind of movie do you like?
I enjoy watching action movie. What about you?
I'm crazy about horror movie. I have some horror movie in my laptop. Do you like it?
I'm sorry, I hate horror movie.
That's okay. I have more action movie than horror movie.
Cool. May I copy some?
Sure, I'll bring my laptop to school tomorrow.
Thank you, bro.
Anytime.
Hi Mike. Oh, hi Sarah. What are you doing in your free time? I really love reading a book and sometimes I like cooking. How about you? I'm very fond of writing. Writing is my hobby. Oh, that's cool. By the way, do you like cooking, Sarah? I'm not really into it. I know many recipe, but I'm too lazy to cook. What if we cook together? That's a good idea. Let's go. Okay. Okay, that's all about today's lesson. I hope it will be useful for you.
Nazila and I signing up. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum.